Hi, this is just a quick shout out this evening for a little experiment which I started yesterday, but I've completed it today. Yesterday I showed you how I use bread in a little form to make a pastry dish. Well, I left one out and I left it go a bit more stale, so it would be even firmer as a dish today, as a base today. So if you want to have a go, just press your bread form into your form, like so. You roll it out first if you want. Just keep pressing it in until it makes a nice formation. Use your fingers, press it really hard, and then light spray it, like so. And then bake it till it goes crispy. It takes about 15-20 minutes. Now the one I saved from yesterday, I've done something really simple. I had some leftover cottage cheese and all I did was put the tablespoon and a half of cottage cheese into the bread case, a few herbs on top and seasoning. I baked it. Nothing else, simple as that, and it looks really good, so I thought I really want to show you how my little experiment will continue. So just get out what I've made. There you go. As you can see, it looks really tasty. Now all this is just cottage cheese, actually. It's quite hot, so I try and push it out like so. Fireworks! It's gone past firework night. Well, they're still doing those. There you go. So it's on the base, but I'll leave it go cool. And that is a 0.3 little snack. I reckon when that goes cold, that will be absolutely super. It's just baked cottage cheese in a bread baked base. Give it a go.